watch the movie in theatres and not the leaked version. In his Facebook post, what Kashyap has said, and I quote, "I have never downloaded a film on torrent. I don't know how to do it. This time it's a different fight. It's a fight against censorship, and if you are the audience that always downloads a film, then I won't ask you to not do that. And please do, but wait till Saturday, which is the day that you would normally download a film. My problem is that this time it's a case of vested interest trying to demoralize people from fighting for their rights."
ये फिल्म जो है जहाँ से भी लीक हुई है, साइबर क्राइम को हमने FIR किया हुआ है और वो इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहे हैं। जब तक इन्वेस्टिगेशन का रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा, कोई भी हवा में नहीं कह सकता कि कहाँ से लीक हुआ है।
इतना बड़ा आरोप आपकी प्रोडक्शन हाउस पर लगा रहे हैं अनुराग।
वो आरोप तो बहुत टाइम से लगा रहे हैं, उनको लगाने दीजिए। हम वेट करें जब साइबर क्राइम क्या रिजल्ट के साथ बाहर आते हैं।
Okay, let's get in Lasya Priya for more on this. Lasya, so we just heard what Anurag Kashyap had to say. They're making an appeal to the people to go and watch the film tomorrow. But he also talks about, he also takes a dig, in fact, indirectly at the censor board and, all the people on the board, particularly at the chief.
That's right, Avantika. In fact, as soon as, of course, the news of the leaked version of the film, came in, we were very keen on getting Anurag's version of the story as well, as to what he thought about it. He, of course, took to Facebook and, posted that this is something he feels there must be some kind of vested interest, which has sort of, perpetrated this kind of an act. Of course, when we chased him down and, wanted to get a soundbite from him, he said that, the Mumbai Cybercrime Cell is investigating the matter, and, let's wait and watch, who is behind this. He also said that, the censor board copy, which has actually been leaked, because, the needle of suspicion started pointing towards the CBFC as far as this leak is concerned, only because, the copy which has been leaked actually was given to the censor board for reviewing. Now, of course, he says that anybody could have actually leaked it from the censor board's office. Of course, we'll have to wait and watch what else he has to say.
Right.
As of now, all we can say is that there was also news doing the round that it could be Anurag Kashyap's team which might have leaked it, online. There are all kinds of allegations flying.
Okay.
We'll have to wait and watch what, the investigative team finds out as far as this is concerned.
All right, Lasya, thanks so much for joining us. We'll also just hear as to what did the censor board chief Pelaj Nilani had to say.
जो ऑनलाइन चल रही है, जो फिल्म जो है, ये हमारे पास जो सील की हुई कॉपी है, वो आफ्टर कट जो अपना ऑर्डर जो हमें हाई कोर्ट ने दिया, जो उनके करेक्शन की हुई कॉपी है, वो अलग है और उसमें अलग है। जो एक कट दिया था कि यूरिनल वाला जो है, वो भी उस कैसेट में है, जो डिस्क्लेमर है वो भी अलग है, ये अलग है। हाथ में हुई नहीं है तो हाउ वी विल सस्पेक्ट। प्रोड्यूसर के जाके पूछिए कि क्या उसका, उससे पूछिए ना, आप वो ब्लेम हमारे ऊपर लगा रहे हैं क्या? और आप लोगों को यहाँ तक नहीं मालूम है, जो भी बंदा है जिसने लीक किया वो आइडेंटिफाई हो चुका है और पकड़ा गया।
But there was some good news also for the filmmakers of this film, with the Supreme Court today refusing to put a stay on the release of the film. And in another legal battle, the film also sailed through the Punjab and Haryana High Court, with the High Court clearing Urta Punjab's release in the state, dismissing a petition against the film.